Hello, good day to you, it's Andy here, and this is a product review for the Rode Wireless Go number 2. Obviously, you realise from previous videos, I already have the Wireless Go. It's very good, very useful. There are several reasons why I purchased this new one. One is the double microphone thing. So there's two mics and one receiver, so you can have two people speaking, or you can do what I've done and got the extra wireless interview device, so I can put one of them in that. And the second reason is that the actual device records what you're saying. So you don't need any extra. If you don't want it, you can just use the microphone alone. And of course, up until now, I've been using the H1N, which obviously then you have to connect up to the receiver. So we have the box come today. It's a very small box. It is of course the standard Rode packaging. And of course the other thing that I do have is the Rode Go interview. Again, like the other, is also similar packaging. So, see if we can open this up. I'm not sure how best to open it. It's I have to say it's well stuck. Don't know if I should be opening the bottom of it, so I always end up ruining the box. However, there we go. So, nice big bag for carrying. I might actually get a box for it. 3 devices and all of the cables. So there's a cable package there. Of the so you've got the audio cable, which is the one you want for connecting it, the receiver, to any recording device or your camera. It's actually shorter than the other one, and also it's not curly anymore, so they don't do the curly one. I have plenty of those. There is a USB-C. There should be 2 of those. In fact, there is 3 of those. Oh yeah, because there are 3 devices. So you need to be able to charge the battery with that. And a little quick start guide. And of course we come on to the main topic here. And they're providing you with 3 of these lovely little furry windshields. I don't know why you need 3 of them. I'm not sure why you need 3, but we have 3. And obviously there's 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. And a packet of silica, which obviously we don't need. It's got a number on it as well, which you can see there, 23. Not sure what that's for. So this is the receiver, and there are 2 buttons on the bottom there. Power button on the top. We have the USB and the audio socket. That will obviously go to your camera or recorder if you're using a recorder. And then 2 transmitters. you can have a lavalier attached to this. Now apparently this is supposed to be easier than before because it is a push in and twist, and it should not come off like the other ones. The other ones are pretty useless. They actually did not stay on, even though I actually got the adapted version of it. They still fell off, so I never used the windshield. However, this one looks like it's pretty easy to do. Put it on and screw. Power button on the USB on the side, power button on the back there. Now this one, you have to use the app with this, so I'll have to read up about that. You got the two transmitters there, and of course that is it. That's what you get. So you get three cables, three. So spare one, the spare furry muff, and of course this fabric container, which is okay for now, but I intend to get a hard case box for it. So that is what you get in that box. Now let's, while we're here, let's open up the interview. So this is the interview go. And what you do is you put one of these transmitters into it, and it's quite handy because your transmitter can record as well, so that means that you haven't got to worry about having a separate audio. I hate these. There it is, that's it. So I'm not sure it's going to come out. Yep, there we are. Nothing else in the box. And that is it. That is the interview stick with the furry thing on there. And of course that's where the microphone will go in, and it obviously will slot in there like that, which is using the clip on the back there. So you push that in there like that, nice and tight. It's not going to come off, and then of course you put that into the phone thing. So you now have a handheld recorder that you could do for interviews. Very, very simple. Right, so that's the basics done. There are lots of videos out there that will tell you all about how to do sound testing with the Go. Plenty of people have done videos on this. They've been out for a little while now, and certainly line of sight is good. I know the other ones, the version 1 had, in my opinion, had a pretty poor line of sight. You only had to go a few feet and you lost signal. Now luckily these are recorders as well, so you can get away with not have to worry about that. You can actually have a copy of the audio. They will record for up to 7-8 hours if you're lucky. So that's good. You haven't got to worry about separate devices if you don't want it. And of course, if you want to, you can have the receiver plugged into your camera if you're able to do that. and you plug it direct, and it obviously then you get the direct feed as well, but you may lose it if you have audio loss. And of course there's been lots of videos, as I say, testing this out, and they've done distance, quite good distance with this new version of the Go. It's been well improved, and I am quite impressed with it, so that's why I have one. I'm going to set this up, get the app going, and then we'll see what happens. So there you go, that's the review. I think it's pretty good. It's going to be quite useful and saves me a lot of hassle anyway. Is it worth the money? Extra $100? Probably, yeah, probably. I don't know. But you know, that's the price you have to pay for a quality product. So I suppose, yeah. And all in all, Rode is a very good manufacturer, and their warranties are worth the paper. So that's a good thing. If you do have a problem, they are very happy to help you out. Right, have a good day, and bye for now.